This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about condiment squeeze bottles, specifically these great first in, first out plastic inverted squeeze bottles. And they're made of a wonderful food grade plastic that is a nice high density, but also really nice and easy to squeeze. So it's a durable, but also recyclable plastic, right? They're flexible, which is fantastic. And they snap back into shape, which makes for easy dispensing, which is fantastic because if you're doing a lot of squeezing in the kitchen, you're putting on a lot of sauces, condiments, other things, you're going to want something that is easy for you to squeeze, so it makes for easy dispensing. And they come in 3 parts. So there's this top cap, which is a great place to stick a label if you need to, that you can see screws into place. You have your actual bottle, and then there's the bottom, which is why they're called inverted, which is actually where you're going to be doing your dispensing. And you can see it has these 3 little ridges up there, so you can actually set them up like that. That means gravity is going to pull whatever you've put in it down to the bottom, making it easy to squeeze and dispense every time. No need to shake right before you squeeze because gravity's already doing that work for you. The translucent plastic means not only will you always know what's inside, but you'll also know how much you have left. So you know exactly by sight when to refill, which is a fantastic little touch as well. This makes for a great precision dispensing. You can see it's got actually a little silicone valve there, meaning that even though it's upside down, it's going to keep everything inside and you're only going to get a release every time you squeeze, right? So these are great for restaurants, caterers, food trucks, or for home, right? If you do a lot, say with kids or anything like that, have a lot of barbecues, parties, you always need to, have ketchup, mustard, maybe salad dressing, whatever on hand. These are fantastic dispensers for home use as well. A lot of people love them for things like food trucks, and they come in 2 sizes, which you can see. So depending on what you're dispensing, how much you need to dispense, you might want to choose either the smaller one or the larger one, right? So, fantastic for a lot of uses. We even use them in our studio for cakes, right? They're a great dispenser for simple syrup as well. Get that kind of precision distribution for layers of nice moist cakes. So they have a lot of uses in the kitchen, both commercially and at home.